All right, people. This is the the topic that just keep on just spiraling the other stuff. As you probably have heard by now, according to multiple sources, ESPN and several other boxing networks, channels, news sites, whatever, Tyson Fury camp supposedly had an outbreak with the coronavirus. Well, we got more news according to Dan Rayfield. Tyson Fury himself, that's right, the Gypsy King himself, tested positive for the COVID virus. So it does look like the fight with Deontay Wilder will be postponed. No ifs, ands, or buts. Now, according to Bob Arum, Tyson Fury was already vaccinated. But don't take my word for it. I'll let you hear it straight out of Bob Arum's mouth.
You don't contact the COVID. Now, you take the two fighters here. Fury is totally vaccinated. And I talked with Shelley Finkel a little while ago, and he said that Wilder's been fully vaccinated, and their corners have been vaccinated. That's taking responsibility. But again, it's really...
Now, the question is, if Tyson Fury actually does have the COVID virus, where does that leave Deontay Wilder? We know it's a very good chance that the fight is going to be postponed. Well, according to multiple sources, Eddie Hearn is stating that Dillian Whyte is willing to jump in there with Deontay Wilder if Tyson Fury indeed cannot perform